Now dear students, very good morning. In this video session, now we see exercise 1.1 second question. So now exercise 1.1 second question. So the question is, show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers. So now we define the relation R in the set of real numbers, and the relation R is defined by the set of ordered pairs A, B such that A less than or equal to B square. A less than or equal to B square. So this is the relation defined. Now we want to check the relation is we want to show the relation is neither reflexive nor symmetry nor transitive. So that condition you want to show. So first one is symmetry. First one is reflexive. So the first condition is reflexive. So when we say that a relation is said to be reflexive, so reflexive means A, A is there. So A, A is there. So A, A. So for A, A, we check A with A. So we check the condition. So the value. So now we put the value A is equal to 1 by 2. For example, A is equal to 1 by 2. Now A square value is equal to 1 by 4. A value 1 by 2. Then A square value 1 by 4. So now we want to show it is not reflexive. So all of them listen carefully. So suppose you take integers. It satisfies the condition. But for fractions, it does not satisfy the condition. So A equal to 1 by 2, A square is equal to 1 by 4. Here look at which one is greater value. So this is 1 by 2 is the greatest one, 1 by 4 is the smallest one. So here A is greater than A square. A is greater than A square. Therefore, A value, so in general, A value is not less than or equal to A square. In general, A value not less than or equal to A square. A value not less than or equal to A square. So therefore, A, A does not belongs to R. A, A does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Otherwise, you write 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 4. Square value 1 by 4. It satisfies this condition. So here A square value, A value is less than or equal to A square? No. So 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 4? No. So A 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 4? No. Does not satisfy. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. For 1 by 2, equal pair is not there. So R is not reflexive. The next one is symmetry. So now we want to check the symmetry condition. So for the symmetry condition, so two different pairs. Now we take two different pairs. So symmetric means, so A, B belongs to R. That implies B, A belongs to R. Then it is said to be symmetry. So now we take this condition. So now we put the condition. So here A comma B belongs to R. So that means you get the relation. So our relation is defined by when A comma B belongs to R, it satisfies the condition A less than or equal to B square. It satisfies the condition A less than or equal to B square. So from this one we conclude B less than or equal to A square. No. So from this one we cannot conclude B less than A square. So for example, so that implies B value less than or equal to A square does not. So does not less than or equal to A square. So therefore B comma A does not belongs to R. Okay. So I give one counter example. So for example, so the element 1 comma 2. Everyone you see 1 comma 2 belongs to R because here A value is equal to 1, B value is equal to 2. So what about B square value? B square value is 4. So here now we compare. So A and B square. A value and B square. So 1, this is 4. So A value is less than or equal to B square. So 1 less than or equal to 4. So it is true. It satisfies the condition. So therefore 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. What about the reverse of 1 comma 2? So the reverse of 1 comma 2 is 2 comma 1. Now we want to check 2 comma 1. So this is A, this is B. Now A value is equal to 2. B value is equal to 1. So what about B square? So also 1. So A value 2, B square value 1. So what is the condition? A less than or equal to B square. So A less than or equal to B square. Here A value 2, B square value 1. So this inequality is true or not? Not true. So this inequality is not true because does not. So does not less than or equal to. So therefore 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Here 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Here 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not symmetry. So therefore the relation R is not symmetric. Okay. Next one, transitive. So next condition is transitive. So now we want to check the given relation is transitive or not. So the relation is transitive or not. So transitive. Transitive means we take two different pairs. Now we take two different pairs. So the two different pairs are, for example, 1 comma 2. So now we take two different pairs. So here, okay, now we check the transitivity condition. So for transitivity condition, we take two elements. So the first element is 4 comma minus 2. 4 comma minus 2. Then another element minus 2 comma 1. So the elements belongs to R or not. We want to check. First number is 4. Here minus 2 square value which is equal to 4. So that is equal to. So equal to also satisfy the condition. Equal to also satisfy the condition. So first one belongs to R. For second one, so left side minus 2. Here 1 square. What is the value of 1 square? 1. So this value less than or equal to. Minus 2 less than or equal to 1. So minus 2 comma 1 belongs to R. So these two ordered pair are also belongs to R. Now we merging the two ordered pair. What about we get 4 comma 1? So 4 comma 1 we want to check. So 4 comma 1. Here A is equal to 4. B is equal to 1. So B square is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. So here A value less than or equal to B square. So 4 less than or equal to 1. No, does not satisfy. So 4 comma 1 does not belongs to R. 4 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. So the relation R is not transitive. So this is our second question.